Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use slicer with Excel pivot chart. So let's start some Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to create first pivot chart. So simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab and in charts group click on the pivot charts option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the pivot chart. And here the create pivot chart, choose the data that you want to analyze, select the data or range here automatically selected. And the second option, choose where you want the pivot chart to be placed. Click on new worksheet and click on OK. That's it. Here the new sheet is added with the pivot chart fields and with the pivot chart analysis tab, design tab and format tab. Okay, so let's see to create the pivot chart first. So just drag the fields below the area. In filter, I drag here the date. In excise category, I drag the product. Okay, and in values, I drag the total price. And here you can see the pivot chart is ready. First, I close this. Okay, then I'm going to insert slicer. Simply click on the pivot chart, then go to the pivot chart analysis tab. In filter group, click on the insert slicer option and here you can see you can choose here the slicer. So I just choose the product wise slicer. Just click on the product and click on OK. And here you can see your slicer is added. Okay. Now just simply select the product those you want to filter. So when I click on the coffee maker, see here the data also filter with the pivot chart. And when I select the multiple product, to select the multiple product, hold the control key of the keyboard and select the second product, third, fourth. Okay. And here you can see the fourth product here filter with the pivot chart also changed. Okay. So this is a way you can use here the slicer in pivot chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.